hotter. Hotter, hotter, hotter. Where them a go do ya know? New link and the attack now. Hotter, hotter. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter, hotter, hotter.
Now in this time of people, I know you're staying home and people are wondering, where are I going to get that money? Oh my, well, so easy, so done. Now is the time. By simple doing, simple advertisement, oh, you can make so much money. And now, Newlink just going to show you how. I'm going to leave some link below the video. You can click on those links and it to where you can make those money. I'm telling you, plenty money.
Girl, 400,000, all mines, yeah? Home, comfortable. See that, girl? Comfortable. And then a year say a man come. Right, so.
Wife, you
big bed, comfortable. I just
it.
get up and never spread my bed yet.
Yeah? With things.
AC, everything. Not to mention the kitchen. Fridge ever pack. Yeah? I'ma show you. Yeah? Down to the ice maker fridge where you have in your everything in the house, I know.
I'm in our bag, my blood clot face, my girl. Big baggy, carry. Your jaw's big like blood clot crocodile's bag. Talk to me nice. Your jaw's big like pillar case. Talk to me sweet.
Sir.
Yeah, girl. You can't make me feel inferior about myself. Ugly I wear. You never blood clot, no. I know my ugly did I fuck him. I'm a good pussy. Pussy good. More great like Tony the Tiger. Great. Yeah. Move your blood clot. You want somebody see you, nobody not know you. Move.
Ja. Bless upon the self viewers and subscribers. Wifey. Matey. Well, people, when I say, wow, matey a show off 400 grand. Matey living in AC. Matey living comfortable. I wonder how wifey I live. Hey man, make sure, you know, wifey I get better treatment, you know. Make sure wifey have swimming pool and jacuzzi, you know, because she not sure that, you know. Okay. Make sure wifey AC is freezing cold, you know. Okay. Cause, you know, if it be like that, mate, you know, if you get better treatment than wifey, make sure, you know. Okay. Back to basic now. I don't know who trouble Godzilla. I don't know who trouble Bullbuck and Duppy Conqueror. But listen here. Attack. Attack. She ready for the road. She ready for the road. Woman then take too hot.